After years of abandonment beneath the ocean floor, USS Nautilus is located using deep scan sonar systems and subsea survey equipment. Technical divers work alongside heavy-duty lifting cables and industrial airlift bags to carefully free the submarine from layers of seabed sediment and marine growth, raising it to the surface under controlled conditions to prevent structural deformation. The entire submarine is digitally documented using 3D scanning and high-resolution close-up photography. Areas requiring disassembly, repair, or replacement are precisely marked. Based on this data, a detailed and sequential restoration plan is developed to ensure technical accuracy throughout the process. The heavily corroded submarine is placed onto a reinforced steel barge, secured with structural supports and high-load chains.
All right,
it is then
secure on this
transported to
side.
port and transferred into a dry
Looks
dock,
good.
where
Let's
seawater is
double-check the
completely
tension.
drained, creating a stable environment for full-scale restoration work. The
That's a
heavily
solid
corroded
contact. What's the
submarine
number?
is placed onto a
Holding at
reinforced steel
0.4,
barge,
consistent
secured
with
with
the last
structural
grid.
supports and high-load chains. It is then transported to port and transferred into a dry dock, where seawater is completely drained, creating a stable environment for full-scale restoration work. Marine mud, salt deposits, aged oil, and biological residues are eliminated using high-pressure water jets, industrial degreasers, and compressed air. Mechanical grinding, sandblasting, and chemical rust treatments follow, revealing the original metal surfaces beneath years of corrosion.
There's the misalignment, clear as day.
How's the measurement look?
We're showing 25 thousandths here. That shaft is compromised.
Sections of the hull and load-bearing framework, weakened by thinning or cracking, are welded, reinforced, and realigned. Protective anti-corrosion primers and advanced coating systems are then applied to stabilize the structure for long-term durability.
How much clearance are we showing on frame 57?
Looks like 3/8, maybe slightly less on the starboard side.
That's within tolerance. Let's check the next section.
Hull panels, hatches, deck flooring, shafts, pumps, valves, electrical wiring, and structural supports are systematically removed. The submarine is gradually reduced to a bare steel framework, allowing unobstructed access to internal damage accumulated over decades underwater. Critical components such as shafts, bearings, couplings, valves, pumps, and flanges undergo turning, milling, grinding, honing, and dynamic balancing. Each part is restored to its precise geometric tolerances to ensure reliable mechanical performance. Mechanical assemblies, electrical systems, and fluid pipelines are reinstalled following strict technical sequencing. Shafts are aligned, fasteners torqued, operational fluids filled, and system parameters finely calibrated to operational specifications.
The cold cranking resistance is well within limits.
Agreed. The shaft rotates freely. We are ready for the next phase.
We are clear on the aft section.
Okay, settling onto the blocks now.
We need to monitor the vibration levels on this intake.
Roger that. The pressure seems stable for now.
All right, feed it through the third clamp down. Got it. Watch the bend right here.
The submarine
Bearing
undergoes
temperatures are
rigorous
well
testing
within
phases,
limits. Good.
including no-load
Log the
trials,
synchronization rate.
stage system activation, full system startup, and load testing. Once all mechanisms operate smoothly and reliably, USS Nautilus is officially declared fully revived, marking its complete rebirth after decades beneath the sea.
Roger that. Moving to the starboard side.
Auxiliary stabilization cables are attached along the USS Nautilus midsection to balance lifting forces, the steel lines tightening gradually.